Let's dive into a topic that can truly transform your life today. We're going to talk about 7 things you should eliminate from your home and how doing so can supercharge your ability to manifest your dreams. This isn't just decluttering. It's a powerful practice that can kickstart the law of attraction and bring your desires closer to reality. So, grab a cup of your favorite tea, find a comfy spot, and let's get into it. Have you ever felt like your life was stuck in a loop? You're striving for your goals, but it feels like you're only halfway there, or maybe not even that far. If you can relate, listen closely, because these 7 steps may be the secret ingredients to manifesting your dreams. Everything around us is energy. From the clothes we wear to the objects in our homes, they all carry energy. And guess what? That energy can either propel us forward or hold us back from our desires. It's like having a set of invisible helpers or roadblocks in your life. And today, we're going to unlock the path to your dreams by removing those roadblocks. Think about it. Have you ever bought a piece of clothing you adored, but now it just collects dust in your closet? Or perhaps you've got broken items scattered around your home and they seem to silently drain your energy. It's time to address these energy blockers head on. But it's not just about physical things. It's about the energy they hold, the memories they carry, and the way they affect your life's vibrations. I promise you, by the end of this chat, you'll see why these 7 practices are the keys to manifesting miracles in your life. So friend, let's roll up our sleeves and embark on this journey together. I'll guide you through each step, and by the end of it, you'll feel lighter, more aligned with your goals, and ready to watch those miracles unfold in your life. The first items you want to eliminate from your home are unused clothes. Imagine your closet filled with clothes you rarely wear. These garments hold the energy of your past. But if they no longer align with who you are today, they act as roadblocks to your desires. The law of attraction is all about aligning your energy with your desires. By clearing out the old, you make space for the new and positive energies to flow in. Therefore, keep only the clothes that make you feel fantastic and confident. Donate or dispose of the rest with gratitude for the memories they brought. The next item reminds me of my mother. Broken objects. My mother would get rid of anything with a crack on it. Subconsciously, she knew those little cracks somehow would affect an aspect of her life. Broken objects in your home symbolize stagnant energy. They're like little energy drains that can hinder your manifestation efforts. Think of it this way. If your favorite vase is broken, it might signify a lack of wholeness in your life. By letting it go and expressing gratitude for the beauty it once brought, you allow space for completeness and abundance to enter your life. Do you have dirty or worn out shoes? It's time to get rid of them. Your shoes carry the energy of your daily journeys. Keeping them clean and in good condition is like ensuring a smooth path for your future manifestations. Imagine walking towards your dreams with worn out, dusty shoes. It's as if you're struggling to move forward. By maintaining clean and well-kept shoes, you symbolically maintain a clear path to your goals. allowing the law of attraction to work more effectively in your life. The next objects we must eliminate may be very difficult for you. I'm talking about objects and clothing of loved ones that are no longer with us. Holding on to possessions of those who've passed away can tether you to the past and hinder your progress in the present. When you release these items, you allow your loved ones to move on peacefully, and you free yourself from the weight of their absence. They are never forgotten, however. You can always celebrate and honor your ancestors' lives in how you show up in the world today. The law of attraction thrives on your emotional state, and this release can help you focus on attracting positive energy and new experiences. Clutter is a challenge for a lot of us. Picture your home cluttered with items that no longer serve a purpose. This chaos can disrupt the energy flow in your space as well as in your mind. Your home is a reflection of your mind. If you have clutter all around you, you will experience difficulty focusing and developing a vision for your life. The law of attraction responds to the energy you emit. A clutter-free, organized environment reflects clarity and order in your mind. It's like sending a clear signal to the universe about your intentions, making it easier to attract what you truly desire. The next items you must eliminate are unwanted gifts. Hanging on to gifts you didn't want or need can be a subtle way of holding on to negativity or unfulfilled desires. Letting go of those items is a way of releasing resistance. It shows the universe that you're open to receiving what you truly desire and aren't clinging to things that don't align with your goals. Lastly, you must get rid of negative or uninspiring artwork. The art and decorations in your home should inspire and uplift you, not bring you down. When you surround yourself with positive and inspiring images, you raise your vibrational frequency. The law of attraction responds to this higher energy by bringing more positive experiences into your life. In a nutshell, decluttering your home and releasing items that no longer resonate with your current energy is like tuning your radio to the right frequency and being able to hear your favorite song clearly. It helps you send out clear signals to the universe about what you want to attract. When your physical space aligns with your desires, the law of attraction can work its magic more effectively, bringing you closer to your goals and dreams. So, start clearing out the old and make space for the new positive energy to flow into your life. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your time and energy. Please like and share if you found value in my message today. Let me know which items you eliminated from your home in the comments below. I would love to hear about how you took action and how your life began to change because of it. Until next time.